Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today video is on the statistics operation in a NumPy. What do you mean by statistics? In simple word, it is the study of the data, and it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collections, organization, analysis, interpret, and extract of meaningful insight from a data. It is used to understand the nature of a data. Example of marketing research and self forecasting and conducting a survey. A self forecasting is a predict the future price based on historical data, and basic operation of statistics is a mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, and mean max. Okay, now let's do the code. First import the library, import numpy as np, and first is perform the operation is a mean. Mean means minimum value of the given array. Let's suppose create a data np dot array. Okay, 2 3 4 5 any number. Okay, and calculate the minimum value of given array. Create a minimum value. Okay, and np dot mean of data print the minimum value. Okay, minimum value is given data is present is 1. Okay, now find to the maximum value in the given data. Maximum, create a variable maximum value equal to np dot max. Okay, and data, and print the max value. Maximum value in given data is present is 455. And now calculate to the mean of the given data. Mean of the given data. First is create a variable mean value, and np dot mean function is returned to the mean means the sum of all element in array and divided by the total number of array. In simple word, mean is average. Okay, and given data and print the mean value. Mean value of given data, sum of all element and divide by total number of element present in data. Sum of element 123 plus 455 and plus 67 plus, and sum of, and divide by 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now move to the most important in statistics in the median. Median means the middle value of the data. First, create the array data equal to np dot array. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and median value equal to np dot median given data, and print the median value. A median value is means middle element of the given array 1 2. Okay, 1 2 and middle element is 3. Okay, and now calculate the mode of given data. First, import the SciPy library from SciPy import stats means statistics, and given data is let's suppose use to the given data and copy this section and mode value of data and stats dot mods into given data, print the mode value. Okay, in this example, mode means the mode is the most frequent value in a data. In simple word is most often value in the data, मतलब maximum time कौन से आया है. Okay, in this example, create a variable suppose 2 2 3 4 3 2 3 2 3 and run this code. In this example, most number of time present in the given data is 3 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 count is 6 and 2 is present is 1 2 3 4 times. Mode means most frequent value, and another function of statistics operation is standard deviation. How to calculate standard deviation? Suppose given data and standard deviation value equal to np dot standard deviation function is data and print the standard deviation value. Standard deviation is 0.98. Next video is on the set operation and trigonometric operation in a NumPy. Thank you for watching this video.